I write articles with AI that have made over $29,000. In this video, I'm going to share the exact AI workflow that I use to write and post articles on Medium and drive traffic to my digital products. And no, I'm not talking about AI slop. I'm talking about leveraging AI to work smarter, not harder. So I've written over 236 articles on Medium, and we're going to go through the analytics here. But why Medium? Well, Medium has great SEO with Google. So when people type in your topic, there's a high likelihood that Medium, Reddit, those types of things that are user-generated content, Google likes that. And so then they click on your article, and once inside, that then links to your digital product. So let's get into some of the stats. Here's my Medium dashboard. I just chose the average month of March. So in March, I had 107,000 views and 45,000 reads. Let's just say we had 100,000 views of my articles in March. What that led to, 15,695 views on my product. And if you look at where the traffic is coming from, the number one source is Medium. In fact, all these top three are Medium traffic because of how I do the links. These 100,000 views and 45,000 reads led to $3,000, 15,000 views, and over 800 sales. So I'm going to share about how I do that. So here's what I use. It's just a Google Doc that has instructions to AI engines, whether it's Claude or ChatGPT, to write Medium articles that perform well. This is just a free document. If you want it, comment Medium below and I will send it to you. So one way is you can just Control A, copy, go into ChatGPT, and I'm going to say, using the instructions below, write me an article about how one simple change to my resume got me a dream job. I'm just using an example. The change was putting my education on top and experience on the bottom. I sell courses for how to get your dream job. So you want to be specific in this initial prompt, what your article's about, a little tidbit of your personal experience, what gives you that edge, and then what is your digital product or offering that you're wanting to sell to the reader. Boom. So title, one simple resume change helped me land a dream job. And it goes through and it has the article. And so then, and so here we have the CTA. So what I just do is I copy this over, I go into Medium, this is Medium, go to write, let's do Control V, boom. And so we have, make sure that's subtitle, and then you typically want a picture here. So what I like to do is just go on to Google Images and type in, we'll just say resume dream job. And just find something, maybe something like this. Yeah, we'll just use this for now. Again, typically wanting graphics that you can use, not copyrighted, open source type stuff. I typically like to trim it a little bit more, but essentially it's not too important for this. So one simple resume change helped me land a dream job. So we have this, and then you do want to add an extra 5% of human editing. So you go through, you just see, you might see, okay, obviously here, we're editing this. I don't like that there's so many bullet points. We'll just cut that. I don't like when it repeats things. I have that in the instructions not to do it, and sometimes it doesn't. So we'll just delete that entire section. I like bolding certain points. And then here, I turn those lessons into a practical course. So what I'm going to do here, download my free guide. Now I don't have a download, but if I did, I would then just link it here. And then that would be the call to action. Now let's move over to Claude. How do you do this with Claude? Because Claude works a little bit differently. Claude actually built that Google Doc into a Medium article skill. So you just put Medium article skill, and we'll say this, we'll just do the same thing. Write me an article people land their dream job. So Claude typically takes a little bit longer than ChatGPT on the back end, which is why for just quick iterations, I prefer ChatGPT. All right, so we got here. Okay, so I moved one section on my resume and landed my dream job 2 weeks later. That's a great clickable headline. I might make it a little bit shorter, but again, that's how you would do it. Now it goes into your drafts, and I recommend you have a stack of 10 to 20 drafts at any time. So I use what's called a batching method. So I sit down for an hour and I just write 25 articles in that hour. Medium will only let you publish 2 articles a day, and so that is a part that you have to do manually. Medium does not allow external API connections. So as you can see, I've published over 236 articles. 100 of those happened this year using this method. It used to take me a week to write an article and post it, and now I'm able to post 2 per day. Now, obviously, this is just scratching the surface. In future videos, I'm going to talk about how you create digital products, how you list it properly on Gumroad, and obviously other ways to market and drive traffic to your digital product. I've put all this in a guide. I'll link that below. If you're interested, it has my entire framework that I use to sell digital products. So what makes a successful article? Let's look. This article did pretty well for me. It's just kind of catchy. You have the link. You want a CTA. Typically, you want a CTA on the top, and then you want a CTA on the bottom. And then in the middle, I'm giving free value of things that people want on creating AI images. And essentially what this article is doing is it's giving free value. And if they want more, they're clicking on this and they're saying, oh, wow, this guy who just gave me 25 prompts and styles is offering 400 prompts for $5. That's a deal. As you can see, this one product has over 382 sales from articles like this, So that is how it's done.